While taking my third UI UX design course, I got to understand why UX documentation is essential in the UI UX design process, especially the user experience design process. Did the other courses teach me this? They probably did, and I probably wasn't paying apt attention. Unlike some other people, my learning process is quite unique. I start by learning the fundamentals or theory. Then I move on to practice what I've learned. Then I go back to learn again. This time, I get to do this hands-on learning, right? I get to practice and also learn. This way, concepts that were not clear to me earlier become clear, and I have a better understanding. And I noticed that when I do study this way, it makes the knowledge last. So while taking this course, I noticed that I was missing a vital part of the design process, which is what brought me to today's topic: why UX documentation is very essential in your design process. Before I go further in this video, my name is Bright Izion. I'm a designer. I do graphics design and UI UX design, and I talk about all things revolving around design and freelancing with your design skills. UX documentation captures all the key steps in the product design process. It serves as a guidebook for anyone inside the team, or even as a guidebook for the wider organization. When I say the wider organization, I'm talking about stakeholders, co-designers, and the developers on the team. It serves as a guide during the design and iteration process. It gives clear information on how design decisions have been made and what the outcomes of your research process has been. This way, you would always have the need of your users in mind during the design process. Essentially, a UX documentation is supposed to include an introduction to the project or the actual project brief, an overview of the research process and findings, user personas and journey maps, sketches, information architecture, wireframes and prototypes, outcomes from usability testing, and design system and style guides. With the knowledge so far, you already know why UX documentation is important to your design process, but let's have a broad overview of the concepts talked about earlier. The UX documentation process is important to keep track of past decisions in order to inform future decisions. The UX documentation is important to make sure that the overall scope and theme of the design is adhered to. The UX documentation process is also important to involve stakeholders in the design process. The UX documentation helps to foster collaborative design, easy iteration after user testing, and it also helps to easily onboard new designers and hand over work when necessary. Now that you have a handful of knowledge on why the UX documentation is very important, let's talk about the tools that you will need for a proper UX documentation. An actual UX documentation consists of write-ups, images, PDFs, links to Figma files, and sketches. Any tool that can display this kind of files is very suitable for UX documentation. But for my documentation needs, I use Notion. Now, I know you'll be asking why Notion. Notion is an easy-to-use project management and documentation software. Notion is designed to keep all companies' documents accessible and organized, accessibility and for iteration purposes. There is no limit to the kind of files that can be imported into Notion, as long as the files are meant for presentation purposes. Another reason why I use Notion is because it's fast becoming the industry standard for UX documentation. Notion offers different plans, but I use the free plan because I'm a freelancer and the free plan can accommodate up to 5 users, and most time I do not work with teams greater than 5 users. If you need more information on how to download Notion and pricing, you can visit the website on www.notion.so. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope to bring value your way in subsequent videos. Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscription button and also hit the thumbs up button to let the algorithm know that you actually like this content and you got value for this content. Once again, my name is Bright Izion, and I hope to see you in my next video.